Okay. So, ayan. Ayun na yung Mercy White Beach Resort. Medyo naano lang ako dito sa red car kasi favorite car. Actually, mukha siyang racing car eh. Okay. Kaya, ano yan, rally, whatever. O, ayan o. Ang ganda, diba? Ayan. So, pag ganyan para makita. So, may ginagawa na namang isa dun. So, another resort yan. So, this is the second resort na sinasabi ko. Ayan, view. Ha? Ang hirap i-pronounce for French. Ayan siya, oh. View Beach. Okay. So, closed for renovation. At by reservation only. Walang walk-in. At ito na yung aming tutulugan. Kita ba? Ayun, ayun siya, oh. Ayun. Okay. Ayan. So, ayan yung ginagawang bago. Okay. Ayan. Welcome. Mercy White Beach Resort. Ayun ang rays. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Destination complete.